Hey guys, welcome to Office Grad. So in today's session, I'm going to be showing you if error formula. It is a great hack when you are working on the Excel spreadsheet and you guys are finding some errors while calculating any formulas. So for that you can use if error formula. The name itself suggests if error. So what if you are getting an error? So what should be your true value in case of an error, right? So let's get started. So here is my spreadsheet where I have the total units that was sold, and I also have the total sales value that we have for each of the region against each of the sales strips. While I'm calculating the per unit list price, I'm getting these div errors, right? Because in certain regions for certain items the sale was not the sale was 0. So when I'm dividing 0 by 0, I'm getting this divisional error. So I know for sure that in this case it shouldn't be an error, rather we should have 0 because we have 0 sales in these regions, right? So how can I replace this div error with 0 value? I will be showing you that. So let's get started. So I already have divided these total sales value by units. So let's now apply if error formula, and within if error I will be applying this division, right? So let's get started. I'm typing equals to if error. So if you can see the description, it says returns value if error, if expression is an error and the value of the expression if itself otherwise. So I'm just writing if error and opening the bracket. Now first we have to provide the value argument. In this example my value should be a division of total and unit, right? So I want to divide total unit total sales price by unit. So let's do that first. So I'm selecting G2 divide by total units. Now the second argument is, so I would press comma, and the second argument is value if error. That means what should be your result or what should be your value in case it is an error. So in this example my error should be 0, because if you have sold nothing, so it should apply as 0. So I'm just adding 0 over there and I'm closing the bracket and hitting enter. Now I'm copying and pasting this formula to the last cell and right click paste formulas. So now we see the difference, right? So earlier we were getting divisional error, however now it has been replaced with 0. Now this argument over here, you can either type 0 over here. If you do not want 0, you can replace it with, let's say, just blank. So instead of 0 I want to change it to blank. So for blank we all know we have to have two inverted commas, open inverted comma and close inverted comma. So I'm copying and pasting it down. So right, we can see now it has replaced with blanks, right? It has replaced with blanks because we applied blanks instead of 0. So there you go guys, this is how if error formula works. If you guys find this formula helpful, please do not forget to write in the comment. Also please subscribe to our channel, because you know guys it is for free. And also if you want to learn more about the more advanced Excel function, do not forget to check our previous videos where we have provided some advanced Excel formulas. And happy learning guys.